everybody, welcome to another great weekly meal prep. Today we have a great recipe for you guys that is well balanced, high in protein and great in fiber. We are gonna make a quick and easy quinoa bowl mixed with a nice cucumber salad and that we paired with a nice pineapple jerk baked fish. If you're interested and want to see that recipe, please keep on watching. Cooking made easy. If you are new here, my name is Claude Mott and I am the owner and founder of Le Bongo Seasoning. Le Bongo Seasoning is an e-commerce website that I started when I was in grad school where we sell organic green seasoning, organic meat seasoning. Our meat seasoning comes in 3 flavors. We have a regular, a mild, a spicy, organic barbecue marinade, organic jerk marinade, organic hot pepper sauce, and so much more. If you're interested and want to try one of our products, since all of the recipes that I have posted in this channel, I have been making them using the organic seasoning from Le Bongo Seasoning. I'll make sure to have the link right here and I'll also make sure to have the link in the description below. And guys, in this channel, I not only post quick and easy recipe, I post a lot of behind the scene that show you guys how I package and ship my orders to my customers, and I also share a lot of small business tips. If that is something that you are interested in, please consider give this video a thumbs up and please remember to subscribe to help my channel and help me grow. Alright, let's jump right into the recipe. Guys, let's present our ingredients. I have some fish. I believe they are white fish. I don't remember the name, but you can use whatever fish you want. I have some cucumber. I already washed and cut them. I have some tomatoes, 1 lime, red onions, some chopped cilantro, chopped bell peppers. I have yellow and red bell peppers, some virgin olive oil, and to season the fish we are gonna be using our organic pineapple jerk seasoning. I love this jerk seasoning. The pineapple give it a little bit sweet taste and it also help level the spiciness as well. This organic jerk seasoning is an all-in-one. Yes, it is a little bit spicy, but it is also on the sweet side. When you are using this organic jerk seasoning, make sure you minimize your salt intake. We are going to bake the fish under the oven. I'm going to drizzle the fish with some virgin oil. To season the fish, we are going to be using the organic pineapple jerk marinade. And after that, we are going to fully marinate with the jerk seasoning. And when you are making this recipe, please make sure you adjust the seasoning based on the amount of meat that you are making. And we are going to fully mix the fish and the organic jerk seasoning. And after that, we are going to let it sit for 20 minutes so that the marinade can fully penetrate in the meat. And after that, we are going to bake it under the oven for 18 minutes. And this is what the fish looks like when it is fully coated and seasoned. So now we are just going to let it sit for 20 minutes while we make a cucumber salad. And this is another version of my cucumber salad. And I'm just going to add some cucumber in a bowl. I'm going to add the bell peppers, red onions, the tomatoes, chopped cilantro. I love cilantro in my cucumber salad, but if you don't like cilantro, you don't have to add it. And now we are going to squeeze 1 lime and add some seasoning salt. And we are also adding some virgin oil. And now we are going to fully squeeze our lime and give it a good mix, and our cucumber salad will be ready. I know I have another quinoa recipe on my channel. I have a chicken quinoa recipe where I show you guys another version of this cucumber salad. Both versions are super delicious and very healthy. These are well balanced meal. I usually make a big batch and have them as a meal prep throughout the week. Now that I have all the ingredients fully combined, I am going to mix everything together. And that's it. Our cucumber salad is ready. Now that I have taken the fish out of the oven, now we are going to begin plating. And guys, the way I usually serve this dish is I usually take about a cup of quinoa, and then I add the cucumber salad in a bowl with the quinoa and mix it all together and add the fish on top. If you want to add some spicy mayo or you want to use the chipotle sauce, you can use that as well. Not that you have to if you are trying to cut extra calories. This is a great way. You don't have to add the sauce. You can just mix everything together, fully combine, and eat it just as is. This is how I usually eat mine. It is super healthy, and I usually have it as a meal prep throughout the week. I really hope you guys enjoy this recipe. And if you like this recipe, guys, please remember to give this video a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, please remember to subscribe to my channel and to help me grow. I really enjoy the support, guys. A lot of you are usually commenting under my videos. I usually see your comment and I truly appreciate the support. Thank you so much for watching. And this is what it looks like when I mix the cucumber salad with the quinoa together. And now we're just going to add the fish on top, and our recipe is pretty much done. And this is the final recipe. I really hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. As you can see, it was very easy to put together, very easy to follow. It is super delicious, packed with protein. It is a well-balanced meal. If you have a busy week in front of you, you can put this together, plate it, and have it every day as your meal prep. And guys, this is the final recipe. I really hope you guys enjoy this recipe. And if you try this recipe, make sure you comment below. Please remember to subscribe. And thank you guys so much for watching. And as always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye now. Cooking made easy.